Almost all of the AI tool these days, they give you this ability to upload any image, any file, and that's a very useful feature, right? But what if you want to upload an entire project, an entire software or coding project? So for example, if I try to upload this project, I'm not able to, right? It just lets me select individual files. So a very, very simple workaround to that is whatever file, whatever project you want to chat with, just zip that. Just zip that and upload that zip file. It will let you upload the zip file. So usually this is the prompt that you should be starting with. I have given it in the notes. Could you please share more details about this application? Specifically, I'd like to understand the entire folder structure if possible. Could you provide a clear breakdown of the directories and the files within the project? Okay. This is basically whenever you are uploading an entire directory, entire source code, you should start with this because within this chat, and this is rapidly changing the way the files are being handled. Um, so it's good that in the very first chat, your this chat has awareness of all the files and the structure included here. And once it has all of these, now you can ask about any particular file. For example, tell me more about urls.py, right? So tell me more about urls.py. And you will see that it's giving me a lot of details about the urls.py. It is indeed able to access it. So again, if you don't give this as your first prompt, it may happen that it won't be able to reach this file. So as a very first file, whenever you are chatting with any of the source code, give this give this particular prompt, and you will be able to, very nicely utilize everything about the application. There is another way. Let's start a new chat. So I go to the application. Okay. So I went to the application. I went to the root of the application, and I ran this command npx repo pack. I just need Node.js installed in the system for this. Apart from that, I don't need anything. I can directly run npx repo pack. There are also some other configurations that you can use, but npx repo pack works for most of the cases. Within seconds, it will give me one file that contains the entire source code. Everything within the directory will be contained within one file. It is a bit less accurate than the zip file, but still a very useful way. So I'll go to upload from computer and select this file, and I'll use the exact same prompt to begin with. And you will see that it gives me the entire folder structure. Very important, to start with this particular prompt. And now let me ask it, tell me more about urls.py. And you can see that very similar to the zip file, it's giving me a very reasonable output. So not bad at all. And you can imagine how powerful it could be. You can upload your entire Drupal theme or an entire module, entire plugin, or an entire project and chat regarding that project, right? So very, very powerful way.